What's up? I'm Justin with the Waterproof Group, and today we're at Garland State University. We're out here at Garland State University. This is about a 16,000 square foot roofing project. We're doing a fluid applied roof coating system. We're using a Garland Company system called LiquiTec. Any roof coating project, the most important thing to do is get a moisture survey done. We have to find all the wet areas. They have to be completely removed, and then they have to be replaced with dry material. This means all damaged sections are cut out and replaced with dry material, bringing it back up to a solid dry substrate.
Yeah.
So the next step is to three-course all the seams and edges. This means we're going to take a fabric grade material along with a trowel grade material and fully seal each one of the seams on all of our repair patches. We even have blisters on the roof that we had to treat. This means that we made an X cut in each one of those blisters, opened it up, let it dry, and then we put a cap sheet over those blisters and fully sealed it. And yes, we three-course those seams as well. Which brings us to the next step, which was the parapet wall. This parapet wall detail had a foil face material on it that we had to torch off and remove by hand. This means torching it off and fully removing it so that we could actually replace it with a cap sheet. On that cap sheet, we installed a termination bar. The termination bar needed butyl tape on the back side of it along with anchors to get it fully sealed to the wall detail. This means installing butyl tape on the back side of the termination bar and then anchoring the termination bar with anchors in every single hole. And then we fully sealed the entire termination bar with polyurea sealant. Once we got done with the parapet wall detail, we were ready to actually start prepping the roof. This means pressure cleaning the entire roof. Once we get the pressure washing fully done, it's time to let the roof dry for a couple of days so that we're ready for the installation of the coating system. We're going to install a Garland LiquiTec system that consists of a base coat and a top coat. However, the base coat is fully reinforced with a fabric. This makes it a fully reinforced system, UV resistant, and it comes with a 20-year no dollar limit warranty. This system extends the life of the roof, saves on energy costs, and it also saves the building owner on a full tear-off cost. No shortcuts, prep first, stress-proof, problem-proof, waterproof.